Welcome back to my channel AI Business English Academy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Henry Ford and his groundbreaking concept of lean manufacturing. In this video, we'll explore a short paragraph about Henry Ford and uncover 5 important business terms used in the context of lean manufacturing. So let's get started. Henry Ford, an industry pioneer, was driven by his strong aversion to waste. He aspired to create an exceptionally efficient production line for manufacturing his groundbreaking Model T cars. Ford meticulously considered the entire process flow, starting from raw materials and culminating in the delight of a satisfied customer driving away in a brand new car. In the year 1913, in Michigan, USA, Henry Ford revolutionized the automotive industry by introducing the moving assembly line. This innovative approach involved assigning different tasks to individual workers as the cars progressed through the factory. Passing by each workstation, Ford even positioned his office on the second floor to have a panoramic view of the entire production line. This allowed him to spot any bottlenecks or imbalances in the process. To achieve his goals, Henry Ford employed various techniques, including standardization, paying good wages, and reducing waste. Standardization refers to the practice of establishing consistent processes, procedures, and specifications, which ensures uniformity and streamlines operations. By paying good wages, Ford aimed to attract and retain skilled workers, enhancing productivity and employee satisfaction. And of course, waste reduction was a key focus for Ford, as he constantly sought ways to eliminate unnecessary steps and optimize resources. Thanks to his revolutionary ideas and practices, Henry Ford is widely regarded as the father of lean manufacturing. His groundbreaking contributions paved the way for modern production systems and inspired countless manufacturers worldwide. It's worth noting that even today, Toyota holds the title of the world's largest car manufacturer. The Toyota Production System, TPS, draws heavily from Henry Ford's original ideas and principles. TPS emphasizes efficiency, waste reduction, and continuous improvement, carrying forward the legacy of Henry Ford. To summarize, we have explored the concept of lean manufacturing through the lens of Henry Ford's incredible journey. We've learned about important business terms such as lean manufacturing, efficiency, standardization, good wages, waste reduction, and the father of lean manufacturing. Let's explore 5 important business terms we have learned from a paragraph about Henry Ford and lean manufacturing. These terms are essential to understand in the world of business, so let's dive right in. Let's list the 5 terms. Lean manufacturing, efficiency, standardization, waste reduction, and father of lean manufacturing. Let's go over these business terms one by one. Our first term is lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a production methodology that focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing efficiency. It aims to deliver high-quality products or services while minimizing resource usage. An excellent example of lean manufacturing is Henry Ford's introduction of the moving assembly line, which revolutionized car production and significantly improved efficiency. The second term is efficiency. Efficiency means accomplishing tasks or achieving desired results with minimal wasted effort, time, or resources. In a business context, being efficient involves optimizing processes and resources to maximize productivity and minimize costs. Henry Ford's relentless pursuit of efficiency led him to develop the moving assembly line, which transformed the automotive industry. Next up is standardization. Standardization refers to establishing consistent processes, procedures, or specifications to ensure uniformity and quality. It eliminates variations and improves efficiency in operations. Henry Ford embraced standardization by assigning specific tasks to workers on the assembly line, ensuring a consistent and streamlined workflow. Our fourth term is waste reduction. Waste reduction involves minimizing or eliminating activities, resources, or materials that do not add value to the final product or service. It aims to optimize resource utilization and improve efficiency. Henry Ford was a pioneer in waste reduction, continuously identifying and eliminating non-value-added steps in the production process to maximize efficiency and reduce costs. Lastly, we have the term father of lean manufacturing. Henry Ford earned this title for his groundbreaking contributions to the development of lean manufacturing principles and practices. As the father of lean manufacturing, Ford is recognized for his innovative mindset, focus on efficiency, and adoption of methods that have inspired modern lean manufacturing approaches. He revolutionized the automotive industry and left a lasting legacy. To recap, we have explored 5 essential business terms: lean manufacturing, efficiency, standardization, waste reduction, and the title father of lean manufacturing associated with Henry Ford. Understanding these terms is crucial for navigating the world of business and manufacturing. In addition to these terms, I would also like you to learn the following terms on your own. These words will expand your vocabulary and enhance your understanding of business concepts. They are aversion, culminating, panoramic view, bottlenecks or imbalances, uniformity, groundbreaking contributions, worth noting that, emphasizes, and carrying forward. That's it for today's video, Business English learners. I hope this explanation has shed light on these important concepts. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.